No, ahorita miramos, está desnivelada, pero seguro les dijeron que se arregla. Allá
AC pad. We're going up to that red line, right? So what we have here is the same thing we have over there. Okay, that's for the pool pad. This is for the AC pad. See how we have it elevated out of the ground? Water can't get to it. And the reason why he's beating it, we are beating it down so we don't have any honeycombs. And I know some people say, well, why don't you use a vibrator? Well, we could, but for this small piece, we don't really want to do it. The mud is pretty loose here, so we just got to make sure it gets down. We don't want any blowouts on this. Pretty much how we did this one over here. You know, same concept, same way. No vibrator, get it down, nice smooth finish. And then we're gonna be backfilling it up, you know. Well, some of the dirt can come up, pavers, grass, all that. But we over here. Got the expansion joint against the wall. This is going there. We don't want to tie it right against it. We're gonna cut the other piece off once it dries and everything. And then he's gonna just float it out. So as you can see here, it's the other concrete. And it's elevated because we live in South Florida. This is also elevating those lower elevations, you know. I think this is also an AC too we have over here. There's a lot of ACs over here. They're starting to put the windows in. It's a grand production today. Okay, let's see. Add it more. For those talking about, oh, I don't want it. You see how it's floating down? You see? It's floating down already. like a river. So I'm not really worried about it because this concrete is nice and wet. I think it's like 5,000 PSI pump mix. We got the rebar cages here, which is this right here. Nice and solid. You see the pilings, the auger pilings right there, over there. So that means that those pilings are around like 40 feet in the ground. So this is really not, this is not going anywhere. Okay. So you can see how the concrete is going right down here, and it's going sliding down all the way to the bottom. So that's how I know it's getting filled and getting placed. You can see this right here. We're covering the piling right there. And going at a pace, the guy is floating it out. This is going to be a smooth finish. We're all said and done. So I'm going to show you once we get completed with everything. Okay, if you like what you're seeing here, because I love concrete pours, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. This is South Florida building. Peace.